Good morning, Barira. How was your weekend? I think today you are a little bit lazy. After the weekend holidays, are you feeling a little bit lazy today? No, so you are
Yes,
energetic.
some.
Yes, Aisha?
Yes, some.
Because you got 2 days, 2 day holidays, right? Okay, so Barira, please turn on your camera, dear. So can you do something today? What can we do today? Can we just start exercising like for this 10 minutes?
Okay.
You can do anything. So are you interested in dancing? No, not
Yeah.
interested in dancing and not interested in doing exercise. Then what do you like? Yeah, I think Barira is interested, right, Barira?
Um, I'm going to go. Can we play like a game? Like I'm going to go check my game camera.
Yeah,
Do
which
you
is
want
that
like
game?
weather? Do you want weather explorers or like infinite chef or anything else? The solar system, blah blah blah. What? I have so many games. I have too many games and I don't know what to pick. So in my game Canva, eh, I'll just put in everyone. Is fine. I'm just gonna share my screen. I'm just gonna share my screen and I'm just gonna play games without
Okay, dear.
everyone. Hey, Winter Explorers.
Only Barira is playing this game? Others cannot join?
It's like a game where you have to find all like the things. Wait, one sec. Let me like get out and show you what you have to find.
Okay, I
It's
thought
like some
I
things.
told you to do something like you should present a thought. So anyone is ready to
So
present a
should
thought?
I
We
put
can.
it in the chat box? Open it then.
Yes, who is ready to present a thought today? We can just
Mm,
you can just present a thought today. I think we can do
open
every
the
day.
chat box. I'm waiting. It's about weather explorers, and you have to like explore the weathers, how to survive it. Why is it not sending? Did I not send it? E- What's the class? Up and beep. Beep. Okay. I'll just show you my collection, ma'am. Okay. Look, see, you have to collect all of these. You have to collect all of these, and then it's like you have to. It's called as the rain gauge, hydrometer, anemometer, which is the thermometer. I don't know. These are an infrared thermometer and wind socket compass. So you have to get all of those, which measure all the weathers. This with this measures like how fast the wind is going, and this is supposed to check the water. And I'm pretty sure I don't know what the wind gauge, but yeah, to check the rain. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
That's all I know.
Good
And
morning,
I'm pretty sure
Chaman.
this is
Please turn on your camera, dear.
so. That's all about the game. Okay.
Hi, dear. What happened? You're a little bit late today. Can you please unmute your audio?
Yeah, I forgot to see the time.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. It's almost time to wind up. So enjoy your classes. Okay.
Okay.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
And how was your exam?
Struck.
Yes. Yesterday.